Alright, so we are testing the stabilization on the iPhone 13 mini as well as the GoPro Hero 8. And the GoPro Hero 8 is 4K 30 frames per second in hyper boost on. And the iPhone 13 mini, we are in the widest angle camera. So I want to see what this looks like. And then compare this to the Sony a7 IV with the stabilization IBIS, as well as the active stabilization, as well as the stabilization that can come from Catalyst Browse. So I'm just gonna run back here and see how it is. How is that? And that's the stabilization from these two cameras. So I'm taking a look at this footage back to back. Here we're on the iPhone 13 mini, and this is a 13mm lens, so a little bit wider than the GoPro Hero 8, but you can see the GoPro in the foreground a little bit on the right side. But overall, the footage is just really, really good. And when you compare this to the GoPro Hero 8, it's definitely sharper than the GoPro. And I think, honestly, I'd want the picture of the iPhone. You know, this on my face here, everything looks really sharp. And let's just flip back here. Now, when going back to the GoPro, you can see overexposed. The angle is wider, so my head looks rounder than it does in the iPhone. And overall stabilization, look at it here. Wow, just, you know, hard to even see that it's not on a gimbal. It's using digital stabilization only. And with that, you can get the results here. But let's flip back to the iPhone 13. Still really good results with the iPhone 13. Not as stable as the GoPro Hero 8, but still really, really good because it's so wide. But overall, I still like the sharpness better with the iPhone 13 and the HDR with the dynamic range with the sun in the background. You can just see more. You can be the person that judges if which one is best. Obviously, from the standpoint of stabilization, a GoPro usually wins the battle in terms of being really good at stabilizing footage. But let me know in the comments what you think, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.